Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up any important data. Once done, power off the device or use the unmount/eject option in settings to prevent file corruption. While the device is off, remove any protective case and locate the SD slot. Some are micro slots under battery doors. Make sure you have the new SD card, an adapter if needed, and a soft cloth to clear contacts. This first step prevents data loss and prepares the hardware for a safe swap. Once the slot is exposed, depress the card to trigger the spring eject mechanism or slide out the old SD carefully. Avoid prying with metal. Now align the new card so the metal contacts face the device's pins and the label faces the correct way. If unsure, check the slot icon. Push gently until you feel a click or it sits flush. If using an adapter, insert the micro card into the adapter first. This ensures reliable contact and avoids bent pins. Power the device back on, and once it recognizes the card, format it in device to apply correct file system and allocation size. Make sure to choose FAT32 or XFAT per device guidelines. After formatting, verify by copying a sample file or recording a short video to confirm read/write functionality. If the card isn't detected, repower and reseat the card. Make sure the adapter is good and test the card in another device or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.